I'm here today with another unboxing, and this one I am so excited about. Like, I cannot explain how excited I am about this one. A few months ago now, Catnip Lingerie, I'm going to put all their links down below. They are on Instagram and they are doing lingerie sewing supplies. But anyway, they reached out and they're like, hey, we're launching this new thing. Do you want some product? Do you want to have a chat about it? And they are seriously the loveliest people. They're super sweet, and plus it's named after cats, so you know what's really not to love there. But they have sent me a lovely box of their new supplies, and as soon as I got it, like the next day, I got the flu and I was in bed for like 2 weeks sick. And since then, it's just been like non-stop go, go, go. And I haven't even had a chance to open the box. So I'm about to move the camera so you can see into the box as I unopen it. And I'm just super excited to see what it is. Plus, it's really great that there's another lingerie supplier around. There's always new things to be found. And I think everyone brings something new and exciting to it. And it just means that us as lingerie sewers get better things to choose from, which is always amazing. So anyway, let's go unbox and see what we've got. So here we are with the unboxing. I'm just covering up my address there, but it's all super cute, all packaged up. And let's see what we've got. So all I had done was just quickly cut open the tape just so I could open it up without having to stop. But it's got this super cute little logo here with a little kitty on it, and it says Catnip, and a little thank you sticker here. So they sent me all of this for free, and I offered to do the review. There was no obligation for a review, but I love to share where we can get new supplies from. So I thought this was a great opportunity to show you all what a new supplier is doing. Alright, so let's open up a little bit. Oh my gosh, I hope these colours are coming through because wow, neon! Ah, exciting! So exciting. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited already. Okay, I'm just going to start with the pink because this is so utterly day glow. It is the best. So it looks like it's a couple of meters of Pico elastic. It's got a really lovely sort of stretch to it, and it's just been folded up with some card and a little bit of washi tape there, but so neon, like ultra neon. We've got some very beautiful cards. Oh my gosh, the quality is amazing. So here it's a little card, so I can show you a front and a back at the same time. So it says, I see beautiful things in your future, and it's at Catnip Lingerie Kits and catniplingerie.com.au. But the quality of these cards is amazing. Like, they feel like game cards that you play with, like if you're into board games and stuff. It's that kind of quality. Amazing logos, just super ties it all together. Really cute and sexy. I love it. I'll be adding one of those to my pin board for sure. Oops, want a little bit. So to go with the neon pink Pico elastic, we also have some neon pink casing, and then a couple of different picos and some strapping as well. Oh gosh, so beautiful. Really lovely, nice, thick, plush quality there. Nice and soft on the underside, so really good for anyone who likes a nice, soft underside to their strapping, which just, you know, helps in hot weather and helps for anyone who's a little bit sensitive in their skin. And then we've got two different kinds of Pico here. Nice kind of amount of stretch. The wider one, as to be expected, is a little bit stronger feeling, so great for underbust things or anywhere we need a little bit more strength. And then a sort of lighter, skinnier version as well as some very plush, nice casing. It's got that super flat casing back, which I just love because it means you can get it sitting so flush to your chest, which is just really good in getting a great fit. So some super perfect things there in the neon. I cannot get over how bright they are. I'm really hoping that shows up on screen. And then we've got this lovely, burnt orange sienna type color. It's stunning, really beautiful. So in this one we have some fold over elastic, which is really lovely. It's going to fold down to a sort of mid-width narrowness. I'm hoping that shows up. Really nice, and when you stretch it, it like maintains its color. The color looks super even through the whole thing as well. So it's super beautiful. I'm just gonna have to put this to the side because now that I'm unboxing the box, it's getting a little top heavy and is falling a little. So I'm just gonna move these things to the side so we don't end up with some kind of catastrophic event. All right, so to go with the beautiful burnt orange color, we have some more strapping, some skinny picot, some wider picot, and much like the ones in the neon pink, this one's got like that little bit more strength, that little bit more grip to it, really good for your underbust, and some very beautiful casing as well. Again, it's that super flat one on the inside, which I just love. So to go with that one, there is also some lace. I'm just going to move the box out of the way, so apologies for a little bit of noise. So it's some lace, really beautiful color tone. Oops, wrong way up. Really beautiful color tone, matches in so well with the orange. It looks probably like a meter-ish of lace, more than enough for like a decent cup size or like adding trims to things. Really great if you wanted to make some matching knickers. And with these kind of tones, I really love mixing and matching my colors. So I'd really love to match this one with like maybe like a navy and like really bring out the richness of this orange. And with the neon, I don't know, I'd be super tempted with like a white and have a really crispy summery pair, or maybe like a nice minty green. I'm gonna have to see in my stash and see what else I've got to pair with it. But they look amazing. All the quality feels great. And just as I moved the box, I felt something else move. So what else do we have in here? Give the box a little bit of a shake. We also have some hardware. So it's in a little plastic container here. So this feels like it's going to be resealable, which is lovely. It means you can keep reusing it. I'm just going to pour it out because it makes it easier while I'm talking to do this. Okay, so I've got rose gold hardware, silver hardware, and gold hardware. They're really lovely, nice and plush. There's some hooks, so in case you want convertible bras of any kinds, or you're playing with some strapping, so there's some extra pieces in there for that. It's really nice and sturdy feeling, nice kind of quality thickness to them. And these super cute, oh my gosh, they're little tiny kitties. Oh, I can't get over how cute these are. I'm hoping these show up. I might even do some close-up shots. They're super cute. So they're little tiny cats, which you can use as little charms. Oh, love them. So they're just really cute. So super impressed. It's literally, I have just unboxed it as you've seen. This is the first time I had seen their product in real life. I would definitely be ordering more because of how lovely it all is. This pink has blown my mind and how neon it is. I'm a huge fan of neons. I just love the way they can add an instant kind of really pro look to your lingerie making because it's not a color we often come across. But yeah, super impressed with the quality, love it all. I'm going to put all the links to Catnip Lingerie down below. Definitely go check them out, follow them on Instagram, and place some orders and let me know what you're going to make with them all. All right, thanks so much.